Yo boys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be videoing my chickens eating sweets. See? So boys, these are the sweets I got. And off I go. Ready boys? Yeah. Go on then. Come on. That was my brother being an idiot chucking sweets. He's supposed to be coming at me for. Come on then. Go for it. There. Oh, my brother, he's just chucking sweets everywhere. Look, boys, look. Yeah, boys, and that was my video. Subscribe if you're new, hit the thumbs up. And I'll see you all in another video. And first of all, I'd like to say, leave down in the comments what videos I should do next. So oh yeah boys, and there's one thing as well. If you did see my other video, it was ditch my brother and troubles. Yeah, and there's another thing I want to tell you. Yeah, I have to go check if there's any eggs. Yeah, boys, there's 4 of them. There's a blue one as well. And thanks for watching, boys.